As they say, one good turn deserves another. Since I fell in love with black and white cookies for the first time in my life last week, I had to keep this theme going. Black and white cookie cake is my new favorite cake. Gorgeous layers of white cake and chocolate cake, and of course, mini black and white cookies on each slice. I'm not gonna lie, this is a pretty intense building on recipes project, which simply means you have to prepare several recipes ahead of time before you can even think about building this cake. Everything about this cake can be prepared ahead of time, and that would be my white cake recipe, a chocolate cake recipe. I'm using my American style buttercream, and that just gets whipped up in minutes, so it's really no big deal. And the simple stovetop recipe for 2-ingredient ganache is ready in an instant. Then on the day that you want to build this cake, I'm serious, it takes no more than a half an hour. Super fluffy cake layers alternating with buttercream and ganache for that iconic black and white look from the bottom to the top. And there has never been a more equal chocolate to vanilla ratio, so your chocolate lovers and your vanilla lovers are all going to be happy. I should probably rename this one the Keep Everyone Happy Cake. Well, that's it. It really doesn't get any easier or more delicious than recipes from Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. So head over to my website, the link is below in the description box, and grab all the recipes that you need to make this cake. Comment below, let me know what you think about black and white cookies, first of all, and are you going to make this cake? You can totally reduce the workload by skipping the black and white cookie recipe, since that part is just the garnish, but I'll urge you to make these cookies. If you watched my last video for how I made these, you'll know that I was never a fan. I just never really liked the black and white until I converted my bakery recipe into the most delicious black and white cookie I've ever tasted. Thanks to everyone for watching and liking and commenting. Believe it or not, all of that stuff really does help the channel. Well, until next time, as always, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.